Hello students, now we are in question number 5. So all the entries are same. Now you should know that what are the entries, okay? So I hope you know the flow of entry by now. So let us enter into the sum directly. So the first entry will be bank account debit to share application, okay? Sorry, okay? So 50,000 shares were actually issued to the public and they applied for the same, okay? And here this is actually the case of your premium, okay? So as we already know that there are two conditions for issue of shares, that is issue at par and issue at premium, okay? Before this amendment made in the year 2013, there was also one condition, that is your issue of shares in a discount, okay? But after the amendment made in 2013, we are no longer issuing shares uh, at a discount. So let us move on to the second entry. So when we receive application money, it should be transferred to equity share capital account. So just transfer the amount, okay? And remember, this uh, allotment money is given here as rupees 5, isn't it? So this rupees 5 is actually including both allotment as well as premium money. So premium is of rupees 3. So you have to make the premium of rupees 3, okay? So total amount of allotment is rupees 5, out of which 3 rupees is for the premium. So what is the actual amount of allotment excluding premium? That is rupees 2, okay? 5 minus 3 will be 2. So this is how you make the entry here, okay? On allotment 5, so this 50,000 into 5, the total amount, and in equity share capital rupees 2 will be transferred, and this SPR, securities premium reserve, okay? SPR is the short form, okay, which I'll be using to explain, just like we use WCR for workmen compensation reserve, okay? So this SPR is the short form that we will use for securities premium reserve, okay? Just in order to explain things, okay, we have to write the full form only. Anyway, so this 50,000 into 3 will be for your SPR, securities premium reserve. So this is your entry that you need to pass here, okay, which is very simple. And after this, the allotment money is also received. The entire money is received, 2,50,000, okay, there is no problem here. And when we have to make this share first call, this transfer money, okay, we have to pass this particular entry, share first call account debit to equity share capital account. Amount will be 1,50,000, okay? So here, what is happening is that when the amount was to be received on the first call, uh, 200 number of shares, they failed to pay the share first call money, okay? So that's why 200 into 3 in call scenario, okay, you can see here, okay? So out of 1,50,000, they are only getting 1,49,400 because 600 is the call scenario, okay? Now after that, we will pass the entry for share final call. Share final call account debit to equity share capital account, which is very simple, okay? So again, here in the final call, we have more 300 number of shares. 200 was already there plus 300, okay? So how much it will be? 500. So in case of final call, we have 500 number of shares that stand in call scenario, okay? So this is your entry, this is your last entry, okay? So this is it. So I hope you have understood this particular journal entry by now, okay? So after that, we have to prepare this cash book, okay? Then post them into the ledger accounts, okay? Various ledger accounts, and then ultimately the balance sheet. So this balance sheet of question number 4 was the same, but that calls in advance, okay? That calls in advance, it appeared in other current liabilities, okay, whereas this SPR, that securities premium reserve, will come under this head, reserves and surplus. You should know that, okay. So for that we have to prepare the note number. So you know that, okay, already these things, share capital, authorized, issued, subscribed, okay, you know this already, this cash and cash equivalents also. Only this SPR, okay, this SPR will come under the head, subhead, reserves and surplus, okay. So again, let me take you to the balance sheet. This is your main head, equity and liabilities, assets, okay, equity and liabilities, assets. These two are main heads, okay, and shareholders funds, other current liabilities, okay, fixed liabilities, okay, fixed assets, okay, current assets, they are actually your subheads, okay. So you have to prepare the balance sheet the following way. It's very simple.